guys, it's me Happy Cat and welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do rainbow tears. Whether you want it as a cool Instagram picture or a Halloween costume of some kind or just a generic costume of some kind, then stay tuned so you can see exactly how I do it. So I've started with my face. I've just put my foundation on and I've just done my eyebrows, and now we're ready to move on to some colour. Right, so I got you in a little bit closer with me now, and we're going to start. I'm using the Birds of Paradise makeup palette because it has some really stunning colours in here. You can use whatever palette you want that has some bright colours, but as you can see in here, we got some really pretty, like, pinks, yellows, greens, everything. So I'm going to keep my look a pink, blue and purple theme. So I'm going to do blue on the inner and pink on the outer, like pink and purple on the outer. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go in with the pink. Now I finished the makeup, now I can go in with the face paint. Now for the face paint, I'm using Snazaroo. I will put a picture of the one that I'm using. I'm not going to show you my one because my one is frankly disgusting. I've had it for so long. But basically in this one, it has some really nice sort of iridescent colours, but also some nice pastel colours, and yeah, it's definitely one of my favorites. And Snazaroo is one of like the best face paints you can get. I am actually planning on investing in proper makeup face paint to do more unique looks, but for this one, this Snazaroo kit works really well. Okay, and for the tears, all I am literally going to be doing is putting a good amount of face paint on the brush and putting the tears where I want them to go. It really doesn't matter what face paint you use, but I would definitely recommend a water-based one just so you can get the face paint to drop the way you want it to. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put my first little piece here, and all you want to do is layer that up so it naturally just falls down your face, and it will take a few layers to get this going. Okay, once you think you've got enough face paint on there, just go ahead with the water and just get a lot of water on the brush and just keep dabbing it on, and then the water drop will be heavy and it will just naturally fall. And there you go. See, it's naturally starting to fall now. It's gone into my crease, which is a little bit annoying, but it's fine because I'm going to have lots of paint around here, so that won't matter. And then I'm going to go in with the water. Put some water on here and just let it naturally fall. Sort of encourage the line where you want it to go down, and it will just follow that line. So if you draw a very light line, it will follow that naturally. I'm I'm going to start going in with the purple colour now, and I'm just going to do the same process again. But this time I'm going to place the purple right next to the blue one, so they're really close together. And again, just draw a tiny line just to encourage the water to drop down that line that you want it to. Otherwise, it might go a completely different direction than you want it to. Okay, I'm going to go in with the water now. Get some extra water on here. And what you want to do is kind of hold the brush up so it encourages the water to drizzle down like that. Again, just sort of paint the line where you want it to naturally fall. Add a little bit more. And then water, try to hold the brush up so it encourages the water to drop down. Like so. Now, my blue side on this side didn't drop very well, so I'm going to make sure this purple drops all the way down on this side. So now I'm going to go in with a pink. It's going to be a very big hot pink, which will complement the eyeshadow really, really well. And there we go, I've put all the colours on, and as you can see, the shades of the tears match perfectly with the eyeshadow. So it all kind of blends into one, which is really, really pretty. Right, now we're waiting for the eyeliner to dry to put the lashes on. I'm going to go over some of the parts, like some of the tears and like the inner corners with some glitter. Now I'm using the Profusion, can never say that right, sparkling lip topper. This is actually quite a new brand. It was in Boots and they had like an advent calendar at Christmas. Let's see how this looks. Oh yeah, see, I don't know if you're going to ever be able to see this on camera. But if I put some on my hand, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? It's sort of like that white shimmery glitter. You can just about see that. So I'm going to put some of those, especially in the corners of my eye. This is a lip topper, but I haven't used it yet to get lip topper, but I think it will be perfect for this situation. So I'm going to put some in the inner corners of my eyes. Oh my god, this is really pretty. This is so nice. Wow, I cannot believe this is just a lip topper. This is really pretty. This is so pretty. I don't know if it's picking up on camera very well, but my god, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Summer Pink Lipstick, which is going to be a really nice pretty pink lipstick for the situation. But hopefully it will tie in the look really nice together. But this pink has a really nice, like, sort of iridescent glow in itself. It's got like a shimmer, which again goes really nicely with this makeup. And just for funsies, I'm going to add the lip topper on my lips, which is actually what it's meant to be made for. But I'm just going to put it in the middle first and just see how it looks. God, you can really see the shine. Looks really nice, I love it. And now for more glitter, I do have another thing from Profusion from Boots, and it is a glitter eyeliner. Yes, glitter eyeliner, which I'm going to put very carefully a line across, like on top of my black eyeliner. And I'm just going to go over and do like the tiniest dots of glitter on the tears, but like the very, very small amount. Not a lot at all. And there we go, that's all the makeup done. Now let me take this out so we can see the final look all together. Okay, with my eyelashes on, guys, here is the final look. What do you think? This will be very, very nice for any kind of party, sort of Halloween, fancy dress, anything like that, or just a cool Instagram picture. Speaking of Instagram, if you haven't followed me on there yet, then please do. I'm happycat_YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description. It's worth doing because I do makeup looks on there that I don't do on here. So, and I recently did a cool 2D comic book effect. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out on more unique behind the scenes stuff and also some extra looks that I don't put on here. But anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on the next video, and please press the bell notification so you can be informed when the next video is up. Thank you all for watching. Take care, stay safe, and until next time, bye.